Yes, children, we saw about Mendeleev's periodic table, its merits and demerits, all that we saw, is it not? And there were so many demerits which needs rectification, which needs to be corrected, is it not? And how all these limitations were resolved, how they were corrected. It was all done by the scientist by name Henry Moseley. What did he do? How did he correct? That is what we are going to see in today's class. Right? Okay. What were the three major limitations of Mendeleev's table? One was position of isotopes. Isotopes were not given individual places that we saw. Then, anomalous position of some pairs of elements. That is wrong order of atomic masses. Cobalt and nickel, tellurium and iodine. We saw that cobalt is having higher atomic mass, but it is placed first, and nickel is having lower atomic mass and it is placed next. Okay, so this we saw. Then when you are arranging the elements in the increasing order of atomic masses, between two elements the difference in atomic mass is more. So in such a case there may be a doubt that more than one element can come in between that. Is that clear? Whether only one element will be discovered later or two elements can come in between, nobody knew. Okay. So uncertainty in prediction of new elements because of the difference in atomic mass being greater between adjacent elements. When Mendeleev's table, elements when they were arranged in the increasing order of atomic masses, the increase in atomic mass was not regular. Okay. So the difference in atomic mass in lighter elements is small, but the difference is large among heavier elements. So it was not possible to predict how many elements could be discovered between two known elements. दो एलिमेंट के बीच में अगर स्पेस छोड़ा है, एक स्पेस छोड़ें या दो छोड़ना है या तीन छोड़ना है, कितने एलिमेंट डिस्कवर होंगे उसका कोई आइडिया नहीं था. ठीक है, मेंडलीव ने तो छोड़ा था, but it was possible that more than one element could be discovered because the difference in atomic mass is greater. Okay. Now all these things were rectified by the scientist by name Henry Moseley. Yes, Henry Moseley ने क्या किया? What did he do? He said, or he came to a conclusion that atomic mass should not be the basis of classification. It should be atomic number. He said that let us arrange the elements in the increasing order of atomic number and see whether all these Mendeleev's disadvantages are getting solved or not. Let us see, he thought. Okay, and so he said that let us arrange the elements, known elements, in the increasing order of atomic number, and atomic number is a more fundamental property than atomic mass, he said. Exactly, because when you consider atomic mass, what is there inside the atomic mass? Protons and neutrons are there. Okay. And what is there outside the nucleus? Electrons are there. Now, whenever an atom is reacting, what is actually happening? The electrons are getting lost or gained. Electrons, where are they? They are outside the nucleus. So, which is involved in chemical reaction? It is only electron. Okay. And what is inside the nucleus? It is proton and neutron. And they are not participating in any chemical reaction. It's only the electrons which are participating in the chemical reaction. Okay, so he said that atomic number should be the basis of classification. This is what he concluded. So modern periodic table was developed with 7 periods and 18 groups. Now what are periods and groups? I have already told you. Periods are horizontal rows and groups are vertical columns. ऐसे वाले groups है, ऐसे वाले periods है. ठीक है? So now let us see one by one. Isotopes are atoms of the same element with different atomic masses. C12, C14, I have already given you examples. Okay. Supposing you are talking about Ce6 and C612 and C640. These are two isotopes of carbon. Okay. And they have the same atomic number. What is this 6? 6 is nothing but atomic number. That is same. Okay. So if they are having same atomic number, obviously they will take only one position in the periodic table. Okay. So Mendeleev gave only one position to carbon. That is correct. Right. If you arrange them in the increasing order of atomic number, he said that carbon will get only one place. So this particular problem is rectified. Now come to the next one, wrong order of elements. Cobalt and nickel उल्टा अरेंज किया हुआ था. Tellurium and iodine भी उल्टा था. ठीक है? That is also resolved if you arrange them in the increasing order of atomic number, right? Because cobalt की atomic number 27 है और nickel का 28 है. इसका 27 है, इसका 28 है. So when you are arranging them, cobalt के बाद ही nickel आता है. Obvious है, 27 के बाद ही 28 आएगा, है ना? Same way in the case of tellurium and iodine also. Tellurium is having 52 atomic number and iodine is having 53 atomic number. तो वो भी clear हो गया. Okay. And Mendeleev's table had, in the first group you had A and B. Is it not? First A, first B. So subgroups were removed. When he made the modern periodic table, he removed these subgroups. And he made a total of 18 groups. Okay, he made a total of 18 groups. So thus, all the limitations of Mendeleev were resolved by Henry Moseley through his modern periodic table. Okay.